Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So, a bit under the weather, bit of a cold going on at the moment. So I'm going to try and make this short and sweet. I'm going to try and do the live stream tonight. I didn't get to do it last night. I had to stay in bed. Just not feeling it. Not feeling well at all. So basically, we've seen the Fed low interest rates, haven't we? It's now 4, which is fine. And the view is they're going to stop quantitative tightening. Excuse me, at some point at the end of this year, which is also fine. So, let's just buy the rumour, probably sell the news in December. Again, sweeping statement. We always got to check it day by day, week by week, and we see what's going on. But stocks are looking okay. They're holding, and yes, we've had a little dip, haven't we? I'm not convinced that dip will have legs, and we will see continuation to the downside. Not convinced at all. So let's have a look at Bitcoin, and we'll just excuse me, trying to keep it short and sweet. So, Bitcoin 4 hourly, 2 drives of hidden bullish divergence. Money Pionex is reaching a relative low with a bit of a rounded bottom shaping on that one. We've got some serious wick action going on overnight. Look, yes, we're back down below the range. We're back into the bottom range. Upper range, top of the upper range. Beyond that, top of the range. Beyond that, all-time high range. So at the moment, we do need to reclaim these areas, but that wick tells a story to me. I'm seeing this consolidation as quite sharp, but also getting ready to finish, if not finished already. This showed the slowing of the momentum at least, if nothing else. And yeah, we are below this major moving average, but I'm not concerned about it. Not at the moment. Moving over to the weekly, what else do we see? Same thing here. Got 2 drives, hidden bullish divergence. That's right. And if we move over to the daily, what do we have? Money flow index, a single drive, massive regular bullish divergence, which is also very nice as well. So you got all these divergences, which are usually there to help spot a low, spot a bottom, or at least try and navigate a rough, educated guess as to where a bottom is going to be. And the 4 hourly, the daily, and on the weekly have all got it. So it makes me feel pretty confident in saying that either the low is in or the low is near. And what we're seeing now is just a bit of a fannying around of price action until we get ready for the final move up. And that's it. I mean, trying to overcomplicate things for the sake of what? I don't know. I know some YouTubers probably would talk for hours on something like that, but I mean, that is basically it. Price go down, momentum go up. What's going on here? It's a clue. Here's a clue. That's all I can tell you. Ethereum's come down to the horizontal. You don't have the same sort of divergences, but it's not all that bad because structurally it's actually better than Bitcoin. So, yes, that's right. I like the structure. We're hitting the 21 exponential moving average once again. So if anybody wanted to ever take a position on Ethereum based on the weekly, this is where you do it. Outside of that, what you got going for you? Well, you got the Bitcoin situation, haven't you? Sometimes you have to think about trading other coins through, or thinking about the market as one big machine, one giant crypto machine. And the engine is Bitcoin, and Ethereum is the gears. That's right. I might be poorly, I might be ill, but I can still spit out an analogy. So that is basically it. I had nothing much more to say than that. Hopefully I will do the stream. I do intend on doing the stream, but my problem is if I'm like, at the moment I feel like my head's been pumped up, right? Just fully congested and old, and I've got a whole day's worth of looking after my kids. So there's a good chance that I'm going to be completely spent by the end of the night. And the thing is, when I do the streams, obviously people want me to look at lots of different coins, lots of different charts, and look, it's almost like driving with one hand behind your back. If you're not fully alert, I'm worried that I will miss things, and if I miss things, I'll be doing everybody a disservice. It'd be much better for me if, again, I am intending on doing it, but I'm just letting you know. It'd be much better for me if I could be fully 100% alert when I do the streams, so I can give everybody their money's worth. But anyway, if I don't do it tonight, I will aim to do it as soon as I'm feeling better enough. Right, I'll leave it with you there. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.